Hi, today I want to show you the Mercedes-Benz S-Class evolution in almost 15 years. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is a series of full-sized luxury sedans produced by German automaker Mercedes-Benz. The S-Class represents the top-of-the-line Mercedes-Benz models and was officially introduced in 1972 with the model W116. I hope you will enjoy watching my presentation. If you have any suggestions, please write them in the comment section. Also, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. First generation. In 1972, Mercedes-Benz introduced the W116 line. In the first to be officially called the S-Class. The W116 series feature a four-wheel independent suspensions and disc brakes. Second generation. The W126 series premiered in September 1979. In December 1980, the W126 introduced a driver's side airbag patented by Mercedes-Benz in 1971 and passenger side airbags in 1988. Third generation. In 1991, the W140 series replaced the W126. The W140 cost 25% more than the W126. It replaced and features double panel window glazing, self-closing trunk lids and doors, and electric windows with jump protection. Fourth generation. Mercedes-Benz presented the W220 in July 1998, marketed exclusively as a sedan. Despite being smaller than previous generation, the W220 offered more interior space. It introduced air suspension, marketed as Airmatic, a navigation system with a center console mounted screen, marketed as Command, keyless entry and ignition, and a radar-controlled cruise control system marketed as Distronic. It also featured a cylinder shut-off system known as Active Cylinder Control. Fifth generation. The W221 was introduced in the autumn 2005. The W221 is slightly larger, with completely redesigned interior using upgraded materials for a more luxurious ride. The central console gear lever was replaced with the column-mounted shifter. New technological features included the infrared night view assist. Sixth generation. In May 2013, Mercedes-Benz introduced the new S-Class W222. Some notable features included the large front grille and the exclusive use of LED lights inside and out. Seventh generation. The W223, the latest S-Class model, is the first car in the world to feature rear seat airbags that use gas to inflate supporting structures, deploying a bag that fills with ambient air. This seventh generation is the latest model available. I can't wait to see the new feature will be introduced in the 8th generation. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.